If you want to remove a payment method from your Twitter account, follow these simple steps to ensure your financial information is updated. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Twitter app or website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access settings and privacy. Once logged in, navigate to the menu by clicking on your profile icon or the More option. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Payment Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Monetization or Payment Information section. Click on it to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Select Payment Method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to edit or delete the payment method. Click on the Delete option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the removal of the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After following these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from your Twitter account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Twitter support for assistance.